Most men live for the weekend, but a real man finds his power on a Tuesday, not the kind of day off the system hands you. I'm talking about the one you take, the one you choose, the one that looks lazy on the outside but becomes lethal in silence. Because a day off done right is not an escape. It's a mirror, and most men are afraid to face it. They'd rather stay busy than face their weaknesses. They'd rather grind in a circle than stop long enough to realize they've been moving nowhere. But the man who takes one day, not to party, not to collapse, but to pause, that man becomes a threat. He sees clearly. He feels everything that's been hiding under the noise. And he reclaims the mission that life almost buried under emails and routines. A day off done right resets your soul. It reveals the cracks in your discipline. It shows you the lies you've been tolerating. It puts your goals in front of you like a mirror and asks, are you living or just passing time? No one tells you this. But the most powerful thing a man can do is step away on a day he should be working and build himself back from the inside out. You journal, you plan, you walk, you reflect. And by the time the day ends, you're not the same man who woke up that morning. You've recalibrated, refocused, rearmed. You've cleaned up your thoughts. You've confronted your bad habits. You've looked at your money, your body, your goals, your home, and said, let's clean this shut up. And when the world sees you tomorrow, they'll think you just had a break. But you didn't take a break. You took your power back. That's the power of a real day off.